how to become a fitness influencer on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I have something really interesting for you guys. I will show you how to become a fitness influencer on Instagram. If you have a motivation to become a fitness influencer, you want to influence people to be better, you want to make them fit, then you need to watch this video and I'll show you everything you need to know. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we will do is you will actually have to go to instagram.com. Now you can open it up on your mobile phone, of course, and you can also actually access Instagram on your web browser. So after that, you will sign into your account, and what you need to do is you can actually get started with a brand new account, because we need to start from the scratch and we need to create a new account. But even if you have an account already, then it's okay, you can work on that. So you have an account on Instagram now, and you want to, post your fitness, journey. You want to influence people, but you're still, struggling with the ideas, what to do, what not to do, and where to start, how to engage the audience. That's the main, problem. So first of all, you need to focus on a niche. So whenever you create an account on Instagram and you want to actually, influence people, we have to select a niche for ourselves. Some people become content creators, some people become the beauty influencers, some people, become fashion influencers. Then you're gonna become a fitness influencer. Now that idea is actually made, that motivation is there, that goal is there. So you have an account. Now how to get started? So the first thing that you need to do is you need to share your story. You need to be relevant with people. Don't sell unrealistic fitness ideas and unrealistic body images. That is the most important part when it comes to becoming a fitness influencer, because the more relevant you will become, the more followers you will get. Now, you need to share your journey. That's the first thing you need to focus on as a complete beginner, as a new account on Instagram. So what you can do is you can start sharing your fitness journey first. Like, you can tell people that, okay, this is where I started, this is how I was. If you have any previous images, if you have any videos, start sharing from that, so that people can actually follow along your story and they know who you are and what you have become, how you have actually improved yourself, and then they will follow you so you can actually motivate them too. So that is the first thing, and you can actually use different images, such as the before and after images. Like that, you need to share a story. You can post stories on Instagram. Then when it comes to the pictures and the videos, you can create reels. Now reel is actually one of the ways to engage the audience on Instagram. So you can create reels like this, where you show where you have started from, and you can use these different music that is like a trending music, and you can go for the videos. So reel is going to be an important part of becoming an influencer on Instagram in this year. And in this time, we know that actually reels actually get you more audience than the photos. So keep that in mind, right? Make sure when you go for a bio for your account, you need to create a bio that is, again, shows and explains what you are doing, what you have done, and what you are. So it should clearly say that you are a fitness and coach or fitness influencer. That's what you want to become. So you will start posting these images, you will start posting these videos of you working out, of you before and after, and then you will start gaining the audience. The audience will relate with you and they will follow you. So that is the first way to start. Then you also need to add affirmation words. Now that is the second thing when it comes to posting content on Instagram. Instead of just creating footage based videos and creating photos on Instagram, we can even now create reels with just lyrics and stuff like that. So for this one, you can even use platforms such as pexels.com or any other footage platform to gain some footage, or you can use your own video. That'll be actually better. But if you do not want, then you can use this free footage that has something like someone working in the background, and you can edit these videos and like add a bunch of different videos here, and you can do a voiceover, and you can create these affirmation videos where you give people the words of affirmation, motivation, and quotes that you like. So that is also an important part when it comes to the fitness videos, because we see a lot of videos like this on YouTube Shorts. So these kind of videos also engage a lot of audience, and people tend to follow that person, the different wise words and different affirmations. So that is an important part, and this is the content that you can post. So once you know that this is the kind of content you can post, after that, you need to create a feed which actually, represents the idea of you being a fitness influencer. Don't post random things. As we discussed, you need a new account. Don't turn your personal account into an influencer account. That is also one of the most important thing that I would say. And make sure to go with a color scheme when it comes to your feed, because the more attractive your feed will be, the more people will take you serious and professional, and you'll be able to get more followers. So you need to post videos, for instance, with like this dark mode. Then make sure to go with all kind of videos like this. And if you're creating a fitness account, you're a fitness influencer, then you need to keep in mind not to post random videos and footage. You know what I mean? Like you're posting like travel images, you're posting food images. So that's actually not the point here. You need to focus on your niche. After that, when it comes to a fitness coach, also there is an important disclaimer that you need to keep in mind, which is do not give any false information, because that is one of the setbacks for you if people will think that you're giving them wrong information. And any information that you feel like is harmful, is not relevant, is not medically right, you should not give that advice, especially when it comes to the medication and the drugs. So keep that in mind when you are becoming a fitness influencer on Instagram. Next, you need to keep in mind to be a fashionable fitness influencer as well. Now, this is a different approach to it, and that is if you are an influencer with a good sense of fashion, don't just post random videos. You are in your house clothes and like you post these videos, make sure to go for an equipment, and of course you will have an equipment, I am sure. And then when it comes to the dressing and when it comes to wearing the sports outfits, you need to make sure to kind of like go for something which shows that you are a professional. And this way comes the next step, which is getting the collaborations that you need. This way you will be actually able to collaborate with fitness brands that represent they are always looking for fitness influencers. So if you are someone that actually shows a good image, then they will approach you. For instance, the clothing brands, the equipment brands for a fitness. And then there are different types of other influencers that will collaborate with you. So you need to keep that in mind. Make sure to collaborate with other influencers and different brands. Any brand that approaches you, make sure to kind of like collaborate with them, post something so that you can gain more audience. This way you will be able to become a professional influencer on Instagram, a fitness influencer. And if you were a complete beginner, you had no idea what to post, where to start, now you know. So go ahead and create your new account and start posting about your fitness journey. Make sure to be authentic, create high quality posts, and you will be able to gain followers, and you will become a fitness influencer in no time with high following, and you'll be able to influence people to be fit. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys, and now you know all of the different tips and tricks on how to get started and become a fitness influencer on Instagram. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.